In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Revolut. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to manage your crypto assets directly on your Revolut wallet, as long as you have a Revolut crypto wallet properly set up, you will be able to acquire its address and use it to withdraw your assets from Crypto.com. So to start, I recommend that you copy the wallet address from Revolut, open Revolut Crypto, and go over to the specific asset that you would like to receive, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once you choose any of the assets available on Revolut, one of the options at the top is going to be Receive. So choose Receive, and in the deposit menu that you see, you will be able to find the QR code or the wallet address. You can use whichever one you prefer, but for certainty, I recommend copying the code that you see. So copy the wallet address. Once you have the wallet address copied to your clipboard, you can switch over to Crypto.com to initiate the transfer process. Inside of Crypto.com, choose the corresponding asset that you will be transferring. So for example, if on your Revolut crypto wallet you chose Bitcoin, make sure that you select Bitcoin inside of Crypto.com. So once you choose the appropriate crypto asset, you will also find the option to send or transfer the asset. So choose Transfer, and then you will see Withdraw. Once you choose Withdraw, one of the options is going to be Withdraw to an external wallet. You will have to add the Revolut wallet to your Crypto.com account as one of the verified wallets that you will be transferring to. So choose the option to add a wallet address and paste the corresponding wallet address that you acquired from Revolut. As long as the wallet address is valid and your Revolut wallet is properly set up, you will be able to send over any amount that you have and receive it within Revolut. It's super simple, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Revolut. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.